Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I am in Nepal. Today I am going to a village called Dampus, which is like 19 kilometers away from Pokhara. And you can either go by jeep or by bus. By bus, the timings are at 8:30 you will get one bus, and at 1 o'clock you will get one bus. And to reach the spot where you get Dampus buses is from Zostel. I took a bus to Zero Point, and from Zero Point again you have to take a bus to Harichok, and from Harichok you have to walk a little bit. You can ask locals where you get the Dampus buses. Many peaks there it seems, like Annapurna, Dronagiri. So I'm excited. It was cancelled. We are going to Dampus village via scooty. So the views are so good and the driving experience is alag level, like different level. So let's go. The road is like this. It's sometimes very difficult to drive, and we're going to do what we are going to do, right? Chal. We are at the height of 1650 meters, and these are some of the places you can explore. I'll put a picture over here. So yeah, and still we are going to the top to see the better views from there. And these are the shops. You can find some hotels, some restaurants over here. That's nice. We are taking a small energy break and having biscuit. The rail is like this for the next 2 kilometers, so we need some energy. Honestly speaking, I have so much fear driving in this type of roads. And one way to overcome fear is to face it. And when you have someone who can push you through it and support you or encourage you, it's something that you have to do it, because they say no, life starts when fear ends. Today I saw that, and I'm grateful that I was able to overcome my fear. So this hill is called as the Annapurna circuit, and can you see that mountain? That mountain is called as Macha Puchre. So Macha matlab the fish and Puchre matlab the tail. So it's called as a fish tail mountain. It looks so grateful. I can't believe these all people live so close to the vicinity of mountains, and people like India who stay in India or especially in the south have to travel so long distance just to witness this. And for them it's just a living reality. Can't believe. Dampus, namaste. Nice board. This is the way to the village and all the residential houses. I just want to take a view and see how they stay, in which type of houses they stay. I always have a thing for this type of houses. I don't know why. Maybe in my previous birth I lived in such type of houses and nostalgia is hitting. Yeah, no. Oh, okay.
Yes, good.
Oh, this is bed.
Yes.
छोटा cute सा घर है आपका. This is a ladder, you can see that. Okay.
Mana chora. Chora kanchu. Kitchen ko cha.
Kitchen?
Yes, kitchen ko cha.
This is the kitchen where they cook. बहुत छोटा है यार. कैसे?
यहाँ दारू.
We have big houses and still we are not satisfied, and they live in this chota houses, but they have such big heart, like so big heart. Such humble
This
people.
is very sad.
Ah,
Yes, yes, sad. Here daru. Bani daru. Yes, we have this. We have lagana.
sad story. We ran out of fuel. The fuel is on reserve. So we stopped our vehicle at a certain point and decided not to go further because there are no petrol bunks in Dampus, so we don't want to take any risk. We also asked locals if there are any petrol, but sadly no petrol is available. So we decided to spend some time near the village, and the most interesting fact here is they grow their own vegetables. Like there will be a house. I'll show you. So suppose that there is a house, and in front there will be farmlands, and this is a kirana shop, and in front you can see this is palak, and this is kakarkai, which we call in Telugu, and yeah, this dish. But in South India, with the help of these leaves, we make pickles, and with a mixture of onion, it has a really very good taste. So the concept of us growing our own food is something which is bygone, and I feel that the trend is coming back, and it's a good thing, because outside they use a lot of fertilizers and we don't know how our food is prepared. So it's always good to grow our own food. Maybe in future, when I have a house in a mountain, and I will for sure have a farmland, and I grow my own plants like tomato, spinach, and that type of gungura leaves, and chili, potato. If you're wondering what that sound is, it's a buffalo who is shouting. I will never tie a buffalo for sure. I will let them free. Village which I was showing, the Dampus village, the houses and all were so mesmerizing, so beautiful, so culturally enriching, that you can only feel the magic when you go there. In videos, through videos, it is beautiful for sure, but when you reach there, you can witness the real magic. So I recommend you to go there, and it is a less tourist place. Right now it is gaining the similarity, and definitely visit Dampus village. See you in another video. Until then, take care.